Hey guys, Liam from Blackpool Honda here, and here we have our Rally Red Civic. This car does come with 17-inch tinted diamond cut alloys, hence why the diamond cut is a bit darker than usual. That is because it is tinted. We have body coloured door mirrors, bumpers, and of course we've got tinted rear windows. I will go into each and every alloy just so you can get an idea of what condition they are all in. Of course, this car does come with rear parking sensors and reversing camera. As you can see, we have got the rear sensors just along the rear bumper there, and of course the reversing camera is just here. In the boot, we do have plenty of room in here. The seats fold 60-40 split, and they fold flat with that level just there. Of course, we have your 12-volt power outlet just under here, as you can see there. And of course, you lift the boot floor up, you do have even more room to place taller items in your boot. And to top the boot off, we do also have your pull-over privacy shelf. Moving around the vehicle again, just going into this rear alloy here. Moving inside the vehicle now, we do have the cloth black seats, along with Isofix mounting points there. And of course your electric automatic rear windows. Moving to the front now, you can see that we do have all 4 controls for windows: window lock, central locking, electric adjustment, and of course your power fold wing mirrors. We now move inside the vehicle. You can see that we do have your parking brake with brake hold, and of course your Econ with stop start. We have your 6-speed gearbox just there, as you can see, all just there. And just above the gearbox, we do have your climate control, which can be controlled via the touchscreen display. On the touchscreen display, we do also have your satellite navigation, your Bluetooth hands-free, and of course your audio, which has various sources just there. This can be controlled via these buttons just here, and of course these here control your Bluetooth hands-free. This information button controls your onboard computer, and as you can see, this car has done 10,956. We have your speed limiter and cruise control just here, with your lane control, distance control from the car ahead. Moving back outside the vehicle now, showing you the last remaining alloy, which is just here. This car does also come with LED daytime running lights, and of course front parking sensors. If you require any more information on this vehicle, don't hesitate to get in touch with the dealership, and one of our sales team will provide you with a personalised video. We thank you for your time, and we hope to hear from you soon here at Blackpool Honda.